welcome back to City Grill. My name is Rob Bohr. In this episode, I'm going to do a simple New York strip, and I'm going to sear it on the sear burner and just put some mild seasoning on. You can do whatever you want, of course. I love this Trader East garlic pepper seasoning. It's very good. I can only find it at Gorton Food Supply GFS. Already have some covered here on the top. It's not very salty, surprisingly. So I'm going to go ahead and flip these over, just like so. And go ahead and pour some of this on the other side, just like so. I already had some meat tenderizer on it. I bought that from Brookins. It's out of Dayton, Ohio. It's very good as well. And I can just move this around with my fingers a little bit as like a rub almost. And it's perfect. So I'll go ahead and make sure my grill is ready to sear these. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these New York strips and just place it on my sear burner. It's on high, it's really hot. You can see that flame up. I'll let that sit there maybe about 2 minutes. I'm gonna watch it. I don't wanna burn anything, but I wanna get a nice, really almost skin-like crust to it. All right, it's been about 2 minutes. It's looking really good. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up. Oh yes, that looks beautiful. Flip that over, sear the other side. And I also have my grill ready. It's about 350 degrees, so I'm gonna finish cooking inside the grill. All right, it's been another couple minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and flip this over a little bit. Oh, that looks nice, that's beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in the grill. It's about 350 degrees. You know, it's pretty raw in the middle, so I wanna get a nice medium rare, so I'm gonna let it cook in here for maybe 7 minutes, then turn it, then maybe another 7 minutes, just to check it, make sure it's a good medium rare. Been at least 6 minutes on each side at about 350 degrees. So I'm basically baking these New York strips. So they feel good. You know, I can feel with my finger. That's gonna be a nice medium rare inside of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate these up and take them inside. All right, I brought the New York strip inside, and I'm just gonna place just a little thin, little small pads of butter on that fillet as it rests. We could tent this up for some aluminum foil. This will be delicious, just like that. Let that rest, let that melt into the steak. That's gonna be beautiful. Tent it up, wait about 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes, and it's gonna be perfect. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and get the recipe at citygrill.com.